So guys, here's the final dish, the finishing dish of our stew bean with a twist cooked down in coconut milk. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, on today's menu, I am going to do some stew bean with a twist. And guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that will be added to this dish. Guys, this is a dish that I always do and it tastes so nice. So let's show you all the ingredients for this dish. Here I have a cup and a half of black bean. I have 2 cups of coconut milk right here. And you know guys, we need our salt. I have some Maggi bouillon here. This is 2 cubes. Not sure if I'm going to use all of it. I have 5 cloves of chopped garlic here. And I have some hot pepper here in case I need to spice it up with some hot pepper. I have 1 chopped onion right here. I have 2 chopped tomatoes right here. I have some chopped sweet pepper, right here. I have a piece of celery chopped right there. I have half cup of broad bean, which I've already cooked ahead of time, and along with the black beans. This is not the tin black bean, it's the pound one, so I cook it ahead of time. So here I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have some chopped scallion here, and I have a piece of garlic here, piece of ginger, sorry, which I crush. Because you know, coconut milk, we want to add some ginger to it. And I have my thyme here. Here I have some zucchini and some carrots here. Here I have a small boiled potato. And you know guys, I love to add my parsley. I keep my parsley in this bottle. And I have some onion powder right here. So guys, so what I am going to do now guys, I'm going to blanch the carrots. See, I have the pot over here and I have some salt in it. So I'm going to notch the fire up and I'm going to demonstrate now how I chopped the carrots. I do it like this. Guys, I put a little style on them. First I cut it in rings and then I just cut them in half. So we're going to blanch these because you know these might take a little time to cook. And guys, blanching is you put in some boiling water for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, the water is boiling. So I'm going to add these in there now, the carrots. So alright, so I had that there. So I'm going to allow it to blanch for a couple of minutes. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I leave this to demonstrate, to show you. I'm not going to blanch these because these don't take any time to cook. Oh, these have already washed. All of these have already washed, guys. I washed them. Put them again. Put them again. So I put 1 ring in 4. 1 slice in 4. So we have them right here. Okay guys, so that is it. So guys, remember all the ingredients, if in case I missed out on any. We have half cup of broad bean here. Oh, and this is half of a zucchini. Half of a zucchini. And I have some sweet pepper here, not much. Yellow and green. And I have the Maggi bouillon, which is 2 cubes. I have my coconut milk, which is 2 cups. Here's my black bean, which is about a cup. This is a cup and a half of black bean. And this is the garlic, 5 cloves of chopped garlic. 1 onion. This is a small onion. And I have some sweet potato here, cook at a time. And I have my black pepper here. Guys, I have some annatto in this. I don't know how many of us are familiar with this. So I put it on some oil. So I'm going to add some to the coconut sauce to give it that color. And here I have my pepper. My spicy hot pepper. I have 2 small tomato chopped here. And I have 2 stalks of scallion and a piece of ginger. I have some thyme. Here I have 1 stick of celery, small stick. And I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. Okay guys, so I think those carrots now have already blanched. I think they're ready. We don't want to give them just more than 5 minutes. That's a long time. Guys, we are not cooking them. And guys, these carrots, they are two carrots a dice. 2 carrots a dice. So we're going to saute our seasoning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil here. I'm not going to add too much. Or a tablespoon and a half. No, it's eventually 2 tablespoons. So guys, I turn off the pot. So I'm going to strain off the water because we don't need the water. So I'm going to add this right over here. Our carrots right here. Because they take a little while, guys, to cook, so that's why I blanch them off. So what I am going to do now, I'm going to add my onion. Guys, we're going to add all these ingredients. The onion, the celery, add it into the pot, the garlic, and the scallion, which I add. And the ginger, and I have the thyme. So guys, I can show you what I had to this pot. All the herbs. Guys, this dish is going to taste so nice. I'm going to sprinkle a little Maggi bouillon here. And I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. So we're going to saute all these seasoning now. All these. Wow. What an aroma. That's the reason why I don't cut the ginger small. I can fish them out after the dish is complete. So what I'm going to do now, going to do now, guys, I'm going to pour in some of this coconut milk. Look at it, guys. So I'm going to now add some of my annatto so I can give this sauce some color. So I'm going to go in with a small teaspoon. You just want to color up. Gets a little color here, guys. Instead of having it white, guys, you can add whatever you so desire to add to your sauce. Whether you want to add ketchup instead of annatto. Many of us are not familiar with this annatto thing. So not everybody can find it. I get this from St. Anne. So you can use ketchup to color your own. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just taste this. I'm going to taste it, guys. I'm going to have some Maggi bouillon in this. I love to use Maggi bouillon. Add some more rather. I'm dumping all of it in there because I want to flavor the sauce. And guys, we're going to stir again. Let me put all the sauce rather. Let me put all the coconut milk. So here is 2 cups of coconut milk. So guys, I'm going to allow that sauce to reduce down some more. I'm going to allow it to reduce down some more and I come back, guys. This is what it looks like. So guys, I don't want all the sauce to dry out. So I'm going to put in the zucchini, which I said don't take long to cook. I will want all the flavor to blend together. Guys, if you give this dish a try, you won't regret. This is something what I always do in my kitchen. And this is for those of us, for the vegetarians. So guys, I'm going to push those one side. And I'm going to add in my broad bean. So I turned on my fire. The zucchini doesn't take long. So I'm going to put all these in there. Those are the carrots. So all the flavors can blend together. I'm going to add the tomato. I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Guys, I'm going to add my oregano. Guys, and you know me by this, I'm going to add my parsley flakes. Zucchini don't take no long time to cook, guys. So we're combining everybody together now. We're going to put in our sweet potato because we're going to allow this to, we're going to cover this and allow the zucchini to soften up. turn down the stove. Fire is down on low. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm just going to sprinkle a little onion powder right here. See there, guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. Ooh, this is a bean stew with a twist. Look at it, guys. How colorful it is. Very colorful. So guys, I'm going to taste right now for salt and see what is needed. I'm going to taste now and to see what is needed, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer down. Guys, I'm going to add a little all-purpose. Here, guys, coming together slowly but surely, looking good. We don't want our potato to mash. And this is for the vegetarian. I made this dish especially for the vegetarian. That's it, guys. So I'm going to cover it now and allow the zucchini to be softened up. They don't take long. So guys, here is it. Look at it, how colorful it is. So guys, we are going to serve of this delicious meal right here. Guys, I want you to see everything what I'm doing. So here we are pouring out this delicious bean stew with a twist. So guys, here's the final dish, the finishing dish of our stew bean with a twist cooked down in coconut milk. Look at it, guys, how lovely it is. Very colorful and tasting so good. Guys, you can give this dish a try. If you give this dish a try, you won't regret it. You can have it with either rice, banana, or some ground formations, whatever you choose to have it with. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Guys, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you all.